Is it giving Janet? I feel like it is. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Of course, it's a new week, so we gotta switch out the hair per usual. This is becoming a habit for us. Today we have the beautiful Ivy unit, y'all. This one is in a color 430, so it has this beautiful natural brown with these really pretty 30 highlights. This is a 13 by 6 HG lace front wig. It also has this amazing adjustable strap, y'all, in the back. It looks just like a bra strap, y'all, so it's very, very easy to wear glueless. As y'all can see in the clip, y'all, I am tinting my lace with some Fit Me powder, actually. Because I have ran all out of my Eben's lace tint. So that's what I'm using as a substitution right now. This is your sign that if you don't have exactly what I have, y'all, finesse what you have at home. You can always use some powder underneath the lace to tint it to your exact color. So that's an easy way to do it. So we're gonna get this hair pulled out of our face, and we're gonna start off with cutting off the ear tabs. I always talk about this, y'all. All units are all 13 by 4s or 13 by 6s. What that actually means is that from ear to ear, it's 13 inches. Normally, people's hairline ear to ear is anywhere from 10 to 12 inches is what I've seen on average. So you're going to have to cut into some of that hair, y'all. Do not be scared. Take some of that hair off the sides so it's actually fitting properly. And what I mean by fitting properly is your ear should fit out perfectly, y'all. If you are still having a little bit of hang time or a little lace around your ear, that means that you haven't cut enough. So go back in and cut some more. So now that we have the ear tabs cut, y'all, and everything is fitting properly and it's ready to go ahead and get into the install. What I'm gonna do is go in and put 4 slits, y'all. I normally do my sections in the front in 4s. I like working in smaller sections when I'm getting ready to either glue down or Eben spray down, because y'all know I'm lazy. I love the Eben spray, but I cut it in these smaller sections so I can work and just not make mistakes, because honestly I've tried going across the entire hairline rushing. It was a mess, y'all. It was a mess. So take your time, cut the lace on that first section. I even look down on it just to make sure it's looking like scalp before I move forward. And then I'm almost out of this yellow can, y'all. I have re-upped. Next can I have is the Supreme can, y'all, and it's fire. I ain't gonna lie. So y'all will see that in the next review, but we're gonna spray that down on the hairline. Now, I did move a little bit quickly here, y'all, and y'all know I keep in my mistakes. Let that dry down a little bit. Like, give it a few minutes to really get a little tacky. It's super wet right now. So give it a few minutes. You see, I'm trying to do it quick, y'all. You have to be patient with her. You have to be patient with her. So give her a minute to dry down. And then as she dries down, she sticks perfectly, y'all. So try that. We're going to continue the same steps with the next 3 sections, y'all. So we go in, we're going to cut with our serrated scissors. We're going to spray down with the Eben spray. And then we're going to press the lace into the skin after it gets a little bit tacky. And honestly, y'all, you're seeing in the clip, sometimes I go out of order. The best order is, I've tried all of them. Best order is to cut your lace with the serrated scissor, then spray down with the Eben spray, then press it into the skin with the comb. I prefer a rat tail comb, but any comb will do. So I'm gonna stop rambling on and on and on and let y'all see me do these last 2 sections. And y'all, the hairline looks so So stay tuned, listen to some music. It's Janet, y'all, so we love Janet over here. So since we have the entire hairline laid, y'all, and it already looks good before I even put the scarf on, we're going to go in. Yeah, I've told y'all a million times. I know everyone always says the elastic bands, which those work well too. But if you ain't got no elastic band, y'all, use your hair scarf that you have at the house or anything tight that you can wrap around your head to just really what it needs is that compressive, like it to be tight to kind of melt that lace in. So this is about maybe 3 minutes later, y'all. Don't leave it on there for long, but you already know when you take that scarf off, yes, it looks so good, y'all. I did not pluck this. I did nothing to this unit's hairline, y'all, and it looks like this. Now, y'all know I'm going to go in and add some more stuff, but this looked good right out the pack, y'all. This looks amazing. And I know a lot of people think I'm gatekeeping. I am not. This is all from my own website. It's eBeautyWig. The link will be below, and I also have a coupon for 25% off at any purchase, y'all. I am a small black owned business, but we growing over here. So if you like to support, y'all, go ahead and go to my website, order it. This is not through a third party. This is ordering through me. So, and y'all know, y'all been here supporting and loving on me. So I appreciate y'all. You already know it would not be a regular tutorial if we didn't do a little bit of baby hairs. And honestly, I heard some other YouTubers say it. She said these are adult baby hairs, and that's what I like. I don't like the really super full, thick baby hair look. I really like it to look as natural and mimic my natural hairline as much as possible. It did look a little shiny around the hairline, so what I did was I just went in with some face powder. Y'all know the face powder I use all the time, that Black Radiance. I went in with that just to kind of blend in that hairline a little bit more. Now I'm going in with the ORS jelly just to lay those edges down, y'all. So any edges I've created, I'm just laying it down with this. I love this product because it does a really great job of slicking down the edges without interrupting the even spray that's laying underneath. So you won't experience any lifting. I'm not sure if there's any oil in it, but I know it does not lift my lace, which is amazing. That's normally the problem I have with most edge tamers, is that they also lift the lace. Is it giving Janet? I feel like it is. I know I'm extra and I'm always going to keep going with it. So this baby, she looks so good, y'all. And you know I'm feeling myself with this curly hair. And like I said in the first clip, this is giving Janet, y'all. Janet at its finest. So gorgeous, beautiful brown. Oh, this would be perfect in autumn too, y'all. I could see this being such an autumn vibe. I did show y'all another way to style this unit. I just threw her in a high ponytail at the top. It was very quick, y'all, just to give you another option. I'm considering doing maybe 3 or 5 different styles with this unit in a short. Let me know if y'all be interested in that. Just different ways that you can style this hair throughout the week. If y'all are interested in that, put that in the comments below. But we out of here, y'all. And if nothing else is your sign to go out and do the things that you've been wanting to do, this is it, y'all. 2024 is our year. This starting YouTube has been a dream of mine for at least maybe 7 or 8 years, I used to look at Dominique A. I don't know if y'all even remember her, but she used to do synthetic wig reviews years ago, and I used to watch her and I was like, I want to do that. And it's taken me this long to get to this point, y'all. But this is our year. Go out and do something that scares you, y'all. Something that makes you be like, oh, I'd be afraid to post that, or I'd be afraid to do this. Face those fears. And honestly, I'm 500 subscribers in, and I didn't even think, I was nervous about posting the first video. So this is your words of encouragement. Go and do the things that you want. We only have one beautiful, amazing life. Live it while you're here. Trust me, you do not want to live with regrets of, man, I should have tried that. Just do it. Just do it. I love y'all as always. Have an amazing rest of the week. And I'll see y'all next week with the next wig review. See y'all. Bye.